Okay, so now that we know some basic Linux commands, let's go over how we can install and update applications and files. So the apt-get install followed by an application name, it looks online through different repositories that you have linked to your system for the application name, and then it will download it and install it on your computer. The apt-get space update command, it searches database for files and applications that can be updated, and then the apt-get upgrade option actually upgrades or updates the applications that were found from the previous command. And then if you ever need to upgrade the distribution, which like a new version of Kali Linux or something comes out, or maybe you have Ubuntu, a new version of Ubuntu comes out, you would do apt-get dist-upgrade, and it'll allow you to upgrade the distribution to the next version. So now let's go over and try a few of these commands. Okay, so let's first try to install an application. So you're gonna make sure that you use sudo when you try to install an application, because typically you're gonna need root access to to install an application on a device. So let's do sudo apt-get install nginx. This is just a web server application that you could use for some hacking stuff in the future. So let's do that. So it's already installed in here, but it pretty much looked online and it checked, hey, it's already on the newest version. So, but if I didn't have it installed, it would go through and actually do the installation process automatically. So now let's try sudo apt-get update. So it's gonna look online for like updates. So now let's do a sudo apt-get upgrade, and pretty much since it didn't find anything to update, it's not going to be able to.